Hi, I'm Dr. Zachary Varble, and welcome to Varble Orthodontics. Choosing the right orthodontist is important, and I want to show you how we invest in the latest technology to provide exceptional care that's convenient and designed around your needs. We've equipped our office with the latest digital scanning, braces, and aligner technology, ensuring your treatment is as precise and comfortable as possible. Our completely digital lab includes state-of-the-art 3D printing technology, which allows us to provide quick turnaround times on custom appliances and aligners right here in-house. This investment in technology means we can offer you faster and more efficient treatment and reduce the time you spend waiting for appliances or aligners to be ready. We've also streamlined our new patient process to make sure you're fully informed and comfortable with your treatment plan while offering same-day starts. That means if you're ready to begin treatment, you don't have to wait. We can get started right away. With tools like DentalMonitoring, we can track your progress remotely, minimizing unnecessary office visits while ensuring your treatment stays on track. This gives you the flexibility to continue your busy life, whether it's school, sports, or work, while still receiving top-tier orthodontic care. All of these investments in technology, in streamlined processes, and in convenience are made with one goal in mind: to provide you with the best care and best value. At Varble Orthodontics, we're here to make your orthodontic journey as easy and effective as possible. We're excited to help you achieve your best smile. With fewer office visits, more flexibility, and the highest quality care, welcome to Varble Orthodontics, where your convenience and care come first.